At this point, you should have prepared your data in Excel and set the location and type of facility within RETScreen. The first step to importing your data is to create a data table within the Data tab that will house your information. In the ribbon, under Step 1, Consumption Production, there are a number of pre-formatted tables to choose from, or you can create a user-defined table by selecting User-Defined and Import from File for other variables you may wish to include. We're going to start by importing electricity data. Click the Electricity Consumption button under Step 1, and you can see the data table appear in the column to the left. Data can be entered in this table manually or imported from your green button data or Excel files. We'll use the import function to load our data from the Excel file that we've prepared. Select the file that contains the data. Remember that the file cannot be currently open in Excel, so if you are working on the Excel file, you may need to close it before loading it into RETScreen. In the dialog window, you can name the data table and select the data you wish to import. Make sure to include begin and end dates, as well as any other user-defined data. If the data contains any estimated values, choose the estimated option from the drop-down. Similarly, if you imported meter readings, where each data point is a consecutive accumulating value, you should select meter reading. If there are any columns you don't need, select Do Not Import. When done, click the green check mark.